Hi and welcome back to RS Guy. Today I'm going to be showing you everything you need to know if you're thinking of buying an RS125 two-stroke. So the first thing we're going to do is locate where everything is. This is where the battery is located, this is the coolant reservoir, and then you've got your spark plug here, and then you've got your main fuses here, so if anything stops working you can check your fuses. So to get to the two-stroke tank you will need your key, and there is a lock just beside the seat, and twist and lift off. When you've got the seat off, just take this off and you get more access, and this is your fill up here. When you're getting low on oil you will have a little light here. So as we're on the topic of oils, I have got a video on replacing gearbox oil, so it does run gearbox oil, so if you need that there's a playlist. So now we're going to get onto the topic of jetting. Jetting is really important in this bike. You can either have loss of power or gain power with jetting. You're seeing it's a two-stroke, so there is a video that I probably will link that does a plug chop video that shows you how to jet your bike. If you're not really that good at jetting, there is places that you can go to where they will jet the bike correctly for you, so I'd probably recommend doing that. So now more so what you need to know. Being a two-stroke, this is going to cost a lot more in running costs. With oil, every 10,000 miles you need to do a top end rebuild, which means replacing the rings, which I will come on to that in a bit. So owning a Aprilia RS125 two-stroke means that you will need a very good mechanical background, as being a two-stroke it's not the most reliable bike. It can leave you stranded on the side of the road, so you do need a mechanical background with this bike. So I've covered the main things. The other things that you need to do is just general maintenance, change your plug every so often, clean the filter every so often, stuff like that. So now I'm going to jump on to how to start the bike. Most of you probably will know this, but there might be some people that do want to know, so we'll go do that. So you have a fuel petcock which you have to turn off so that you don't get your carb garmed up. So just turn that on to the on position. Get your key. And on cold starts you need to put the choke on. And then so, like I said, when you get this bike started, everything bad about it goes out the window. The smell, the sound, when you ride this bike is absolutely bliss. One thing that I suggest is temperature gauge. When the bike says cold, don't ride. Wait till this warms up properly. So I think that covers everything to do with the Aprilia RS125 two-stroke. Hope this helps, and hope to see you out on the road on one.